on my skin like that, then I like to go back in and I like to just layer it on my skin like I'm showing here. Just layer it all over my skin and also under my eyes, and then I leave it on my skin to dry. Make this mask, I'm going to be using banana, a ripe banana that is. Now I'm using a half of a medium size banana. You want to make sure the banana is well ripe. Now once this is done, so what I'm going to do with the banana, I'm going to chop it in small pieces since I'm going to be blending. Banana contain skin brightening properties. When you apply banana on the skin, it will help to get rid of hyperpigmentation such as blackheads, acne scars. It also helps to hydrate the skin, and it also will help to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. What I'm going to do with the banana, I'm going to place it in a blender. And before I place it in the blender, however, if you do not have banana and you're trying to make this mask, another great ingredient that you can use instead of the banana is some papaya. So pour the banana in the blender, and once this is done, we're going to move on to the second ingredient. We're making a skin brightening facial mask, a mask that will not dry the skin out. That is the reason why we're adding the banana. Now take a look at my next ingredient, and this is tomato. Tomato contains skin brightening properties. When mixed with the banana, it's gonna create an amazing facial mask that's gonna clear hyperpigmentation, lighten and brighten the skin without drying the skin natural oil out. So what I'm going to do with the tomato, I'm going to chop it in small pieces for easier blending. Now when it comes onto the tomato, you can just take a piece of tomato, rub it on your pigmentation, do this for a week, and it will help to lighten and brighten. When mixed with the banana, is also going to help to soften the skin while reducing the wrinkles and fine lines. Now once we have the tomato and the banana in the blender, do not add any water because the tomato contains water enough to make this a spreadable mask. So now we are going to cover. For this mask, you can also choose to use about a teaspoon of honey, or you can even choose to add a bit of a grapeseed oil to the mixture. So now after blending, let's go ahead and pour. And what I'm going to do, I am going to strain. Now, the beauty about this mask is you can choose to strain or not to strain. If you do not strain, you can also use it to rub on your face like a facial exfoliator and then leave it on as a facial mask. So now I'm going to pour this in my small container, and this mask is ready to use. I suggest you cleanse your skin before you use the mask and store the leftovers in the refrigerator. Now let's get on to the demonstration. Now to use this mask, you need to start with clean skin, so you just cleanse your face the way you normally do. And what I like to do with this mask, I like to just apply it on my face like this to start, and I like to just rub it on my skin as if I'm exfoliating my skin, basically polishing my skin with the facial mask. So I rub it all over my face, and it's safe to go right under the eyes, especially if you have dark under eye circles. It's good to go down on the neck and the décolleté. And once I rub it on my skin like that, then I like to go back in and I like to just layer it on my skin like I'm showing here. Just layer it all over my skin and also under my eyes, and then I leave it on my skin to dry. And this is going to take about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I just go back and I just rinse my face with some cold water and reveal beautiful looking skin.